Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to use Bitquery's NFT APIs to get the NFT data that we want. So we will first start with the Explorer. So the Explorer is a dashboard and a visual way to view the NFT data that you want. So I have a NFT address that I want to search. So I select Ethereum mainnet and then click on search. You get the NFT collection page where under the NFT tab you will be able to see all the token information, NFT information along with the images of all the NFTs in the collection. All these dashboards are made up of widgets. So for each of the metric that you see here, if you click on the get streaming API button, it will redirect you to a GraphQL IDE. So the IDE an is a way to get the very custom NFT data that you want with the help of by writing GraphQL queries. So since we clicked on the widget, we were redirected to this IDE, and if you click run, you will get the data here as a JSON format. So we will now see how to get different categories of data under the NFT API and how to use the ID to get them. The NFT ownership API covers all details related to ownership of NFTs. You can get details on who owns which NFTs, what are all the NFTs in a particular wallet, who are the top holders of this particular NFT, who are the whales, etc. So now we will see an example of how to write a query for this getting NFT ownership data. In this query, we will now get the top holders of a particular NFT. So with the help of the query builder, I am preparing the query. I'm selecting the combined dataset because it includes both archival and real-time data. Under the balance updates method, I am selecting the address and the balance field to be displayed. In the where clause, under the currency smart contract field, you put in the address of the particular NFT collection. We will order it by descending field balance from highest to lowest. We will get only 10 accounts for now, 10 wallets, and then you can increase the count to as much as you want. In one query, you can get up to 15,000 records. In the NFT transfers API, you can get data relating to transfers of NFTs between wallets. It can include the latest transfers. You can subscribe to transfers in real time, or you can get the transfers of a particular wallet between two wallets, or the top NFTs that are being transferred frequently. So now I will see an example query of how to use the transfer API. We will now write a query to get the latest NFT transfers. Okay, data set is set to real time. To get the real time data, we will select ETH, select the transfers method. For now, let me limit it to 10 transfers. Block time transfer, we need amount, currency name, sender, receiver, and then in the where clause, under the transfer currency field, we will set fungible equal to false so that we get NFT transfers. We will order them by descending of latest block time, which is most recent transfer. Okay, do we have all the data we need? Okay, now, okay, we have the latest transfer, sender, receiver, and the NFT name as well. Okay, now if I set it to BSC, yes, we are getting it for the BSC network. Okay, now let's move to the next API. Next, we will see how to use NFT events API to track NFT events. For example, offers, auctions, loans, says buy logged, any event that happens during an NFT transaction, you will be able to track it with the NFT events API. Now we will see an example of how to do that. Okay. Now you can see that the endpoint is different. We are now using the old graphql.bitquery.io endpoint. Here, let's use the Ethereum chain. I'm selecting network as Ethereum. Under the arguments method, we will set the smart contract event with the event that we're going to track. I'm going to use the start auction event. Okay, smart contract address. Here we will put the address of the respective marketplace. So I am putting in the blur address here. Okay, we'll limit it to, let's say, 5 events for now, and we will order them by latest, latest to earliest. We need the block height, smart contract address, transaction hash, transaction from address. To get the NFT collection details, we will write the we will use the arguments any of colon argument value where argument. So this will get you the NFT collection for which this event was triggered. So have we have added all the necessary conditions. Okay. Now we're getting the collection address. We'll get the collection name as well to make it easier to view. Yeah, now we have the collection name as well so that it now becomes easier to read. So this is an example of how you can track an NFT event with the API. So now we will move on to the next. In the NFT trades API, you can track a lot of information. Trades, when we refer to trades, we can it includes a lot of things, including the latest trades for an NFT token, the latest NFT trades for a wallet, all the NFT trades that have happened during a particular period. So it includes a lot of things. So we will now see an example of how to track NFT trades with the NFT trades BitQuery's NFT trades API. So if you're not comfortable writing the query, you can go through the Explorer as well. So I have the token page open for a particular NFT here. So as you can see, there is a tab called trades on dex. So you can see that the live indicator here indicating that we have the latest trades shown here. So if you click on the get streaming API, this will get you the query directly. And this, since we are written as subscription, it will automatically refresh after every 10 seconds and get the latest trade as it comes in. Now let us write a similar query to get the latest trades for a NFT. Okay, dex trades where trade by currency smart contract is. I have the smart contract handy for an NFT token. Okay, order by descending of latest. So block time, we will limit it to 10 trades for now. Okay, okay, we need the block time, trade by amount, currency name, price, buyer, seller, order ID, dex, protocol name, protocol, smart contract, sell. It's not necessary that you only have to filter by the NFT token. You can also get it for a particular protocol as well. Amount, buyer, price, currency, sell currency name, transaction hash. Okay, okay, we have the protocol here. So blur v1 and okay. So instead of filtering by, let's say, a token, you can also filter by the marketplace contract, in this case the protocol name. Okay, let me remove the smart contract from by and then put it in. Put protocol name is blur v1. Okay, now we will get the latest blur trades. Yes, so this is an example of what you can do with the trades API. We will now move on to the next. In the NFT collection API, you get information related to the NFTs collection, in the sense that you get all the, let's say you want to get all the NFTs in a particular collection, or you want to know the creator of a particular NFT collection, the metadata, the file URI, and so on. So then this is the API. So let's see an example of how to get the metadata of an NFT. Okay, I am selecting data set, archive, network, Ethereum, and we will get the, to get the metadata of the NFT, we will use the initial first transfer as soon as it is minted to get the data. So we will set the limit to 1. We will get, we're getting the first transfer where order by ascending block date or date, yeah, block date, where transfer currency smart contract is this, and we'll also set the ID so that we get it for that one particular NFT. Okay, transfer currency name URI decimals protocol name smart contract symbol ID receiver sender URI of the NFT. Okay, now here the receiver will be the owner. Okay, we see that it goes from the null address to the creator, and you have the IPFS ID URL here, so you can use this to get the actual like the image of the NFT. Okay, so this is an example of how to get details about the NFT in the query. Similarly, you can do it for collection and other details that you want regarding the collection. So this can, like I said before, you can do this also from the URL explorer as well, in case you're not familiar with writing queries. So this is the end of the tutorial for how to use the NFT API. All these are just examples of what you can uh, do accomplish with it. So there are many more examples that you can see if you click on the explore button here, so you can see all the queries that are created by other users. And also, if you need help creating a query, please feel free to reach out to us through our various channels, Telegram community, Discord, or create a support ticket and we will get back to you.